How's it, everybody? Back with another hotel review, but this time I'm at the Horseshoe. That rhymes. All right, let's go. Not bad at all. Alright, so I'm staying right here at the Horseshoe, formerly known as Bali Hotel and Casino, and I have to say it's pretty nice. So the room is 450 square feet, which it seems small, but by the way things look, it's pretty roomy. I see you got the king size bed with the little centerpiece chair. I kind of like this chair right here, so you get off the bed, you can just sit down and relax. And I also have this center with the 42-inch screen TV. As you open the door, there's also a fridge in there so you can store all your cold stuffs. And we got a little workspace area to where you just sit down and do some work. And we also have 2 chairs right here to where you just want to sit down. We also got 2 side pieces for the king size bed and with the 2 lamps, which it looks like is pretty. Also have a stand-up lamp on the corner. So all the furniture looks pretty new because they renovated, because they changed the name and they changed the theme. So they gotta change up everything. But the one thing I don't think they changed was the bed frame. It's kind of rough on the edges, but I don't really care. It's alright. And we got this long mirror right here to where, you know, you gotta check your fit before you go out to the nightlife and see what's up. You know, gotta look good for the ladies. Then over here we got the closet, basic stuff. You got your hangers for your shirt or your pants. Then you got the iron board. You also have a safe to where you can store all your valuables and stuff. And then right here in the bathroom, you got the red paint background behind the mirror. A little sink. You also got your toilet as usual, and then you got a stand-up shower, which is pretty nice. I know the space is kind of similar to the Link because the Link, I guess the theme colors were white and black, and over here is white and red. Yeah, they're both run by Caesar, so yeah. And I also took notice there's some scratch marks from the bed frame right here, and also the bottom counters of the bathroom. But otherwise than that, it's alright. But it's kind of cool because the way they set up the furniture, it makes the room more roomy and more spacious, so that's a plus. And I have to say this place is pretty clean, not much dust, maybe some scuff marks on the mirrors, but then I think that's a bunch of scratches. And otherwise than that, let's check out the view. Okay, so the view we got, so I'm up here on the 14th floor. You can see the Hilton Grand Vacation right there. There's Paris, you see the Eiffel Tower in between. There's the Cosmo. Not bad. Not bad at all. The price of the room is not that bad. I think I got it for well, close to 20 a night, which is not bad. And on a Sunday, usually it's more, but it was pretty cheap. I booked it a couple weeks in advance, so I got a pretty good deal out of it. So I'm just staying here for one night just to do this hotel review and to see what the Horseshoe's about. All right, so I'm gonna chill, relax a little bit. I know I got a lot more time. Then I'm gonna head down to the casino and see what the Horseshoe's about. Be right back. All right, I'm about to go get me some dinner and walk to the casino. In that time right over here at the arcade at the Horseshoe, and I'm just looking around to see if I can find and I okay, I did my damage at the arcade. Now I'm about to go get me something to eat. I'm kind of tired, so I'm just gonna call it a night after this and do all my stuffs tomorrow, since I'm gonna check out around 2 p.m. All right, now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna eat at. So I'm back at the hotel. I went down. I didn't really do much. I just went downstairs, walked through the hallway, see what they had. They had some kind of pods with 360 virtual reality kind of stuff. They also had the Dino Safari for the kids to check out some dinosaurs. And they also had the exhibit called Real Bodies, which is they show all like the parts of the body and whatnot. That looks pretty interesting. I might go check it out tomorrow, but we'll see. And they also have the Twilight Zone. They also have a mini golf one side, and they got some stuff for the kids to do while the other adults are gambling. They also have some places to shop, a little souvenir store. And as I walked all the way down, they had the food court, which got a place to eat like Johnny Rockets. I got me dinner at Pan Asia Express. I guess that's their version of Panda Express. They got Nathan's Hot Dogs. They also got Subway and Sbarro's. A little more down there is also the bar, and right next to it is the arcade. Right now I'm kind of tired, and I had a long day earlier today. I had some things I had to do. So I'm calling it a night. So I'm gonna go take a shower, I'm gonna take a nap, and I'll see y'all in the morning. All right, good morning. I just woke up because I slept in. I was gonna check out the pool, but the pool don't open till 9. So I'm gonna head there right now because it's already 9.
Watch him turn around. He knows it's through him. Watch this. Oh my. You just did that? A magician. That's incredible.
So apparently this is the part where I screwed up on this video. So this right here, I thought I would be videoing myself talking about the pool at the Horseshoe. But apparently I didn't press the record button. And as I pressed the record button, which I thought it was off, it was just me changing clothes and about to hop in the pool. Well, right now, this is the Blu Pool at the Horseshoe. And as I was walking in, you see they got some lounge chairs, they got some day beds, they also got a cabana, but I know right behind it there's also a tennis court, which apparently I don't think anybody uses. So as I was walking through, there's also a bar where you can grab your drinks and whatnot. There's also a gaming area where they got cornhole and some foosball, and the vibe was pretty good. I mean, it was pretty busy, there was a lot of people, and for the first time I jumped in the pool, which was pretty nice because it was pretty hot that day. And I was in there for a bit. I guess people were looking at me kind of weird because I had my camera stand on there, but otherwise than that, it was cool. Then after that, I just got out of the pool and just continued my day walking through the casino. It was a lot cooler, especially when it's hot like this. So I'm back at my room. I just came from the pool. The pool was really nice, chill. There were people over there, but I mean, I was surprised there were a lot of people for Monday. Usually Mondays are, And after that, I'll just walk around the casino. Then I ended up going to Nosh Deli to grab me just a salad. And then I also saw a glazed twist, and I had to get that. I know it's a bad combination, but I had to get it. Yeah, it was kind of pricey because the Caesar salad that I got was about 14 bucks. And the donut, which I found out, was $5. Yeah, those little stores are pretty expensive because the water I bought was close to $8. The orange juice was $5, and the unsweetened green tea was close to like $5.50. Like I said, if you don't want to pay hotel price, you better go to CVS or some supermarket near you and grab some drinks and whatever you need to bring up to the room if you don't want to pay this price. So I was walking around the casino, and the casino is pretty nice. It's spread open. They have one area is the Hall of Fame, World Series of Poker. Not much people know, but the Horseshoe also hosts the World Series of Poker that you watch on ESPN. And as for shows, they got paranormal, mind reading, magic, Potted Potter, I guess is like a Harry Potter parody or whatever. The one thing that I wanted to check out, but I didn't get the chance to, was check out BattleBots. The two man-made bots go right at it. And it looks pretty cool. I remember I used to watch that show back in the day when I was little. They used to have that. But right now, I'm just gonna kick it. I extended my checkout till 2 p.m. So after I rest a little bit, after eating my salad, then I'm gonna walk out and see what they got outside of the Horseshoe. Alright, so I'm in this little shopping center right here. They got a lot of bars, they got a lot of well-known places to eat, Whataburgers, a lot of gift stores and whatnot, but I'm over here trying Dirt Dogs. They're pretty popular in LA. I had it before, I'm gonna try something different. So I got the asada fries. So after I get it, I'm gonna bring it back to the room and tell you what I think about the Horseshoe.
There's something about him that makes a girl want to take him in her arms and...
I just got back from getting lunch. I just got the asada fries from Dirt Dogs. I'm about to have it right now, but before I do that, I'm gonna go over my review of the Horseshoe. I know what it's gonna get still, so I might as well eat it right now. Okay, so my thoughts of the Horseshoe Hotel and Casino is nice. I never got the chance to stay here when it was Bali. It might be a little different. I know this is a different theme, different name, lots of renovations, newly renovated, and it has that modern look now. So it looks a lot stylish, a lot hip, I guess I should say. Other than that, it's pretty nice. So I'm gonna start with my likes, and then I'm gonna go with my dislikes. So the first thing that I like about it is location. It's like the Link, it's smacked in the middle of everything. If you wanna go sightseeing, walk to a different hotel, you can just walk on the strip, or you can catch the monorail, which it makes a stop at every hotel on the strip. Also, another thing I like about it is it's pretty clean. Like my last hotel review, they also have workers cleaning the floors and staying up on it just to make it look presentable to the tourists. And another thing I like about it is the rooms are pretty spacious, and it looks pretty spacious for a 450 square foot room. If you got 2 king size beds, it may not be much, but still, by the way things look, it's pretty spacious to me. And I like how all the machines in the casino are all spread apart, and there's a lot walking room in between the machines and stuff, so that's pretty cool. Now to the dislikes. It happened to me this morning, getting out of the parking area. I had to go to my house a quick one this morning, and when I tried to get out, they said I could use my room key to put in or scan it, and it didn't work. I was getting frustrated. I was there at least 5 or 10 minutes, and I was about to lose my... And one dislike I didn't like was sometimes there's creepy people around. For example, when I was walking to grab lunch, there are a lot of people walking around looking suspicious and stuff, and those kind of stuff you gotta watch out for, especially when you have bags on you. You might be a target, so watch out for that. Would I recommend you to stay at this hotel? Yeah, definitely, especially for the price, but it also varies on what days you stay. Luckily on Sunday I got it for 50-20 bucks. Usually on the weekends when there's an event happening, prices go up. And there's a lot of things to do, and one thing about this hotel is it's also kid friendly. You also got the Dino Safari, like a museum for dinosaurs. You also have an arcade for the kids, so that's a big plus for this hotel. So you can keep the kids busy and have a little fun in Vegas, even though this is an adult city. But otherwise than that, that concludes my review of this hotel. And yes, I recommend it, 2 thumbs up, to stay at this hotel, especially for the price. If this review really helps you out on staying here at the Horseshoe Hotel and Casino. Please give it a thumbs up, like, and please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. There'll be more hotel reviews coming up. I got a couple more that I'll be working on after this, so it's gonna be a pretty busy week for me. So I'm gonna end this right here. If you didn't see my other one, I did at the link. Right there is the one. So once again, this is Manny. Until next time, aloha. Now I gotta eat my fries from the dog.